qué están haciendo aquí?
Tortas, tacos.
¿Qué ven? ¿Puras tortas y tacos?
Ah, sí, y quesadillas.
All right. Tortas, tacos, and quesadillas. You want some or what?
¿You want to get torta?
¿Le puede hacer una torta? ¿Lo puedo grabar? ¿O se pone nerviosa? Okay, está bien.
What did you say? Did you ask what comes on the torta?
Hey, ask him. He knows English. Hey, you know English, bro? Yeah.
What comes on torta? What comes on the torta?
The steak, yes, meat, lettuce, tomatoes, guacamole,
Can we just do lettuce?
lettuce.
Yeah, just lettuce. Lettuce and meat.
Sure? Because it looks, if you guys are going to take pictures, it looks a lot better with everything on it. Trust me. Because if I just do lettuce, it's just going to look green. But if I do all the colors on the tomatoes,
Alright, fine. Alright, I'll do that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, however you make it then.
Yeah. Do it the way you want to make it.
you want,
Make sure you get
light
the-
on the tomatoes.
Yeah, just do light. And look at the carne asada right here, man.
Where are you guys from?
We're from Sonora, Hermosillo. So it's like around 3 to 4 hours away from the Arizona border.
Ah, gotcha.
Yeah.
So are you from Utah?
I'm actually from Sonora.
Right, but how long have you been here?
I've been here for 12 years of my life.
Ah, gotcha. So you've been here for a while.
Yeah.
Oh, this is great. How long have you guys been running this business?
Taco truck around 1.5 years. But we used to have a restaurant here in West Valley. We had that one for around 2 years.
What are you guys most famous for?
I'd say our carne asada and our hot dogs.
Yeah.
Those are hot dogs like unique. They're wrapped in bacon. We have beans,
Mexican
mayo.
style.
And then over here, on the hot dog, we would put lettuce, tomato, avocado,
Gotcha.
side of glaze on the side.
It looks like al pastor.
Yes, sir. That is al pastor.
Amazing.
That is homemade al pastor. This one's just for show, though.
Oh,
We have the
dope.
cut up one from.
Ah, gotcha. So that's just a teaser.
Yes, sir.
So where can people come and enjoy your guys' food if they want to partake?
So right now we don't have a specific location. So if you follow us on our Facebook, Asado or Taqueria del Rio or Asado Rio Sonora, we post every day where we're
Every
at,
day.
what time from what time.
Gotcha. So every day it's a different place. Do you guys have an app or anything or coming soon?
Not right now.
Instagram.
We have Instagram, Taqueria del Rio as well.
All right. That's
You
what's
can follow
up.
us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram.
That's
as
what's
well.
up. Well, this looks great so far. You excited, Eric?
Pretty excited, man.
We'll start off with the bread.
Yeah.
Then we'll put the carne asada on there, freshly from the grill.
Nice and roasted just barely off of the grill. Charcoal grill.
Sure. And then over here, we'll come in with a little bit of lettuce.
Alright.
Everything?
It's okay. Go and do everything, man.
All right.
Let's have authentic.
Got a little bit of tomatoes up on there.
Oh, it looks delicious.
Then avocado.
Beautiful. Everyone just knows that Eric's a little special. He wants to be different. But that looks amazing.
Put everything to the side. We'll put it right down the middle.
Oh. And what was your name?
My name's Gabriel.
Gabriel. Ah, thanks. I appreciate it.
You guys have
Go,
any
man.
crema for it?
I have mayo. I don't have sour cream.
You like mayo, don't you?
No, it's fine. No mail.
Okay. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.
Now look, let me see this.
Hold on. So you gotta
Yeah, I'll go put lime on it.
You gotta put the lime on it, Eric.
Who's on there, man?
Lime in the coconut, you drink a bowl up. She put the lime in the coconut, you drink a bowl up. She put
What's on? Squeeze it.
Damn, I gotta squeeze it for you, bro. This looks amazing, though. Honestly.
Man, when's fresh carne asada, man?
Nice and grilled. You want some jalapenos?
What?
I thought you didn't want any, so.
Yeah. Alright, take quick.
Wow, it's amazing. Tasty asada. The vegetables are fresh.
It's that bread, man. Best part. The bread with the meat makes it perfect, huh? That's every day of our sandwich. You make a little salad. Look at that shit. Solid.
And then that's the best part about this. Like after any Mexican meal, you get mother salad
out of it.
Yeah.
Here, man, let me hold that. Don't drop it. I'm helping my bro out right here. Don't spill, man.
Let's go get some more CBD or what?